Hi, welcome to my 12th lecture, classification of continuous time signals. Already we discussed deterministic and non-deterministic signals. Next we are going to see even and odd signals. Let us see the definition of even signals and odd signals. Even signals, when signal remains same under the time reversal operation, is called even signals. The even signals follows the condition x of minus t equal to x of t. Odd signals, when a signal remains same under the time reversal and amplitude reversal operation, is called odd signal. The odd signal follows the condition minus x of minus t equal to x of t or x of minus t equal to minus x of t. It is very important concept. So here condition is for even signal x of minus t should be equal to x of t, and odd signal x of minus t is equal to minus x of t. Okay, so you need to remember these two conditions. So let us see example. So here first example has given signal. Let us write mathematical equation for this one. X of t equal to 0 for t less than minus 1. Okay, and it is 1 for minus 1 less than t less than 1, and 0 for t greater than 1. Right? So let us find x of minus t. In this x of minus t, so wherever the t is there, you need to replace minus t. X of minus t, it is 0, t minus t less than minus 1, and 1 minus 1 less than minus t less than 1, and 0 minus t greater than 1. Let us simplify this one. X of minus t equal to, it is 0 and t greater than 1, right? And 1, if you remove minus here, 1 greater than t greater than minus 1, and 0 here, if you remove minus, t less than minus 1, right? So let us draw the signal. T less than minus 1, it is 0, and minus 1 to 1, it is 1, and t greater than 1 is 0. See, both signal you got same. Okay, here x of minus t equal to x of t only, right? Here x of minus t equal to x of t. Then the signal is even signal. Just with respect to y-axis, we need to rotate this signal. That's it. So if you get same, then signal is called even signal. Clear? So let us see example 2. X of t equal to cos t. X of minus t, if you substitute here, cos minus t. Cos minus t equal to cos t only. So cos t equal to x of t. So x of minus t equal to x of t. So then this signal is even signal. Let us see this in graphically. So this signal is cos t signal, right? If this signal rotates with respect to y-axis, so this signal you bring this side and this signal you bring this side, just to rotate this signal. If it is like this, just to rotate this signal like this. Okay, then what you will get? Still you will get same signal, right? Both are same signal. So graphically also we are verified the signal cos t signal is even signal. Let us see example 3. This signal I am rotating with respect to y-axis. Okay, time reversal. Whatever signal is there, just you come this side, and whatever signal is there, you bring this side. Okay, will it change anything? So this is coming this side, and this is coming this side. So x of minus t, this is t. So both signal are same. X of minus t equal to x of t, even signal. Okay, let us see example 4. This signal triangle signal is given. It is look like triangle. Okay, you can verify this one by using mathematical equation also, but I am drawing directly here. T x of minus t. So whatever signal is there, this triangle, if you bring this side, like just rotate, so this is exactly like rotating page. In book you will rotate page, right? Like this, it will come same, right? And whatever this one is there, you bring this side. So still it's both are same. X of t equal to x of minus t, both are same. X of minus t equal to x of t, or x of t equal to x of minus t. So this signal also even signal. So let us see example 5. If this is a signal, same, you rotate with respect to y-axis, it is time reversal. X of minus t, just whatever signal is there, you bring this side, and whatever signal is there, you bring this side. So still you got x of minus t equal to x of t, right? So this is also even signal. Let us see example 6. X of t equal to 3. It is a even signal or odd signal? It is a odd number, right? But in terms of signal we are asking, not number. Okay. So it is a 3 has given. So if you draw this one graphically, so x of t is 3 forever, constant, right? Constant. So this constant, just a mirror image. If you, whatever you are seeing in mirror, you bring this side. Whatever you are seeing in mirror, you bring this side. So what will come? X of minus t, if you draw this one, same again you will get same, right? 3. So both signals are same here. X of minus t equal to x of t. This signal is even signal. Don't look at number, okay? Signal, in terms of signals and systems of subject is okay. This x of t equal to 3 is even signal only. Example 7, if you have x of t equal to 2 is there, is constant or this also even signal only, because 2 is a constant line from minus infinity to plus infinity. Let us see 8th example. Here, if you make time reversal for this one, time reversal I am doing. So x of minus t I am finding. Whatever signal is there, I am bringing this side. Whatever signal is there, I am bringing this side. So be careful, this one. X of minus t I am drawing. Okay. So if signal this come this side, how it will be? This will come here, right? Minus 1 plus 1. But what about this part? If you come this side, so this will be here. So now both signals are same? No. X of t is not equal to x of minus t, right? Then what? So again I am doing this one, amplitude reversal. So whatever signal is there, this one I am bringing downside. Whatever this signal is there, I am taking to the upside. So multiplying this complete signal with minus 1, that's what. Minus x of minus t. So this side portion will get downside, 1 minus 1, and this side portion will go upside, 1 plus 1. See, these two signals are same. So what you understood here? X of t is equal to minus x of minus t. This condition is for what? Odd signal. Time reversal also we have done, and also amplitude reversal also we done. Here let us see example 9. if you make time reversal for this, so how it will be? T x of minus t, whatever signal is here, we need to bring this side, whatever signal is there here, we need to bring this side. So this will be, it will come -1 to 1, this part. Okay, so now what about this part? This is coming this side, right? So both signals are same? No, right? So next again amplitude reversal I am doing. Let us see amplitude reversal. Okay, so this complete signal I am multiplying with -1. Okay, so we need to rotate with respect to x-axis now. So whatever signal is there, this will come downside. Whatever signal is there, this will go upside. So this is coming downside, and this signal is going upside. See, x of t is equal to minus x of minus t. Both signals are same, right? This one and this one is same. So this signal is odd signal. Let us see 10th example. X of t equal to sin t. Okay, so this one is even or odd signal. We need to substitute x of minus t. I am substituting wherever the t is there and replacing with minus t. So what will come? Sin minus t. So this is equal to sin minus t is minus sin t, right? So sin t is x of t, right? So wherever the sin t is there, I am replacing x of t. This minus is I am giving it as it is. Sin t is x of t. So what you got? X of minus t equal to minus x of t. X of minus t equal to minus x of t, or this minus if you send this side, x of t equal to minus x of minus t. This is condition for the odd signal only, right? So sin t is a odd signal. Already we have seen cos t is a even signal. Let us verify sin t is a odd signal in graphically. So if you make time reversal, how it will be? X of minus t, exactly mirror image you need to draw this side. So see here, this is, it will be like this, right? And this one is downside is there. See, this one is downside is there. So you need to start from downside. Okay, so both signals are same. Here we got peak, at positive side we got first peak. Here at positive card we got negative peak, right? So these two signals are not same. Now I am making amplitude reversal. Amplitude reversal means whatever this side is, the downside will come, this side is upside will go. So this is positive side and this is negative side. Minus x of minus t. So x of t equal to minus x of minus t. So this is a odd signal. Let us see 11th example. For this signal, if you make time reversal, how it will be? We need to rotate with respect to y-axis. So this part will come this side and this part will come this side. So both signals are same? No, right? So next I'm making amplitude reversal. I'm rotating the signal with respect to x-axis. So now it is x of t equal to minus x of minus t. So this signal is odd signal. So let us see this signal is even signal or odd signal. So we need to substitute first x of minus t. Wherever the t is there, I am replacing with minus t. Sine minus t cos 2 minus t. So what you will get? This is sine minus sine t. This is cos 2t only. So sine t cos t, what we can replace? X of t, right? Minus x of t. So x of minus t equal to, we got minus x of t. That is equal to x of t equal to minus x of minus t. So this signal is odd signal. Has given 0 when t is less than 0 and 1 t is greater than or equal to 0. So let us make time reversal. So x of minus t. So wherever the time is there, so we need to rotate the signal with respect to y-axis. So this whatever the signal is this side is there, it will come this side, and this side completely 0 and this side is 0. Okay. So these both signals are same? No. X of t is not equal to x of minus t. So let it make amplitude level reversal. The minus x of minus t. This signal enter signal I am multiplying with minus 1. So this whatever the here positive plus 1 is there, it will come to minus 1. And this is 0 only. So this is also x of t is not equal to minus x of minus t. See, this condition also didn't satisfy, and also this condition also didn't satisfy. So this signal is neither even nor odd signal. So it is not a even signal and also it is not a odd signal. Then what is the solution for it? Any general continuous time signal is neither even and nor odd signal, but it can be expressed as sum of even and odd signal. So last we have discussed this example x of t, it is 1, x of t is 0 for t less than 0 and 1 t greater than or equal to 0. So this signal is neither even nor odd signal. So but this signal is mixture of odd and even signal. So x of t signal is made up of even signal plus odd signal. Okay, this is a very important point. From this only we are going to derive. So this is made up of even signal and odd signal. Then what is the even part in this and what is the odd part? So these two signals we added, right? So let us see what is the even part in this signal, what is the odd part in this signal. Okay, so how will you find out? X of t, in this we have x even part of the signal we have plus x odd part of the signal we have, right? So this is the definition has given from any general continuous time signal is neither even and nor odd signal, but it can be expressed as sum of even and odd signal, right? So here let us see. Here I am replacing t by minus t. So what we are getting? X of minus t, x even part of minus t plus x odd part of minus t. Okay, this is the equation number 1 I am considering. So we know if it is even signal, x of minus t is x of t only, right? For odd signals, x of minus t is minus x of t, right? So these two conditions we know. This is for even signal condition, this is for odd signal, right? Okay, how will you solve this one? So x of minus t, okay, equal to x even part of minus t. What you can write? X of t only we can write, right, from the even condition. And this one, x of minus t, we can replace minus x naught of t. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Let us solve equation 1 and equation 2. So x of t equal to x e of t plus x odd part of t. This is equation number 1. And x of minus t equal to x even part of minus t minus t, right? So let us simplify this one. These two get cancelled out. X of t plus x of minus t equal to 2 x e suffix t, x suffix e of t. Okay, so x e of t equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. So this is equation number 3. So from this, if you solve x of t and time reversal of x of minus t by 2, if you do this one, we will get even part of the signal. Even part of the signal. Now if you want odd part of the signal, same equation number 1 and equation number 2 I am solving. So I am subtracting these two equations. So then even part will get cancelled out. X of t minus x of minus t equal to 2x of t, right? So x odd part of the t equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So from this we will get odd part of the signal. Now we know that how to find even part of the signal and odd part of the signal from the given signal. Let us solve same example. Now in this we will see what is the even part of the signal and what is the odd part of the signal. This is a neither even nor odd signal. Be careful, this is a neither even nor odd signal. So let us find what is the even part of the signal, what is the odd part of the signal in this. Okay, how will you find even part of the signal? X even part of the signal we know, x of t plus x of minus t by 2 we need to do, right? So let us find x of t, this one. X of minus t, what will come? So exactly time reversal, right? X of minus t, so it is mirror image with respect to y-axis. So I am drawing like this, 1 0. Okay, so now with these two signals we need to add. Okay, if we add these two signals, what will come? This will be 1 for ever, right? X of t, this is 1 from minus infinity to plus infinity, right? Now this is x of t plus x of minus t signal. Now we need to divide by 2 this signal, amplitude we need to divide. So 1 is divided by 2 is 1 by 2. So what we'll get is x of t plus x of minus t by 2. If you do this one, what will get? Yes, 0.5 will get. Okay, so this is the even part hidden in this signal. In this signal, even part is this signal. This is x even part of the signal. Okay, understood? So let us find now odd part of the signal. How will you find odd part of the signal? Odd part of t equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. Okay, so x of t is this one, x of minus t is this one, but minus of x of minus t, how will you find out? Here we need to make amplitude reversal, right? So this signal x of minus t is this one, minus of minus t. Okay, so what will come? Minus 1 will come, right? This is minus 1, 0, this is 1. So now indirectly this signal and this signal we need to add to x of t minus of x of minus t means we need to add these two signals. These two signals we need to add. So if you add, what will come? X of t minus of minus t. Okay, so it will be minus 1 and it will be plus 1. Okay, still not over. We need to divide by 2 this one. If we divide by this 2, so what will come next? It will be 0.5. It will be 0.5 and 0 minus 0.5 this one. X of t minus x of minus t by 2, right? So this is the odd part of the signal. This is the odd part of the signal hidden in the given x of t signal. So let us verify definition. So we said x of t signal is even part of the signal is will be there and odd part of the signal is, which of the signal is neither even nor odd. It is a combination of even part and odd part of the signal. So even part of the signal is this one, right? Even part of the signal is this one and odd part of the signal is this one. If we add these two, let us see whether we will get x of t or not. So x of t here plus 0.5, here minus 0.5 will get cancelled. It is 0 only, right? 0. Here plus 0.5, here also plus 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, it will become a 1, right? So x of t is 0 for t less than 0 and 1 for t greater than 0. We got x of t or not? What you understood? X of t is neither even nor odd signal. Then in this signal, even part of the signal is this one and odd part of the signal is this one. The derivation is derived for how to find in this given signal, how to find even part and what is the odd part. Okay, thank you.